Welcome back. One of the frequently asked questions about Excel is how to properly insert an image. I'm not a big fan of using many pictures, or any picture, in financial reports or analytical documents. But as we know, Excel has many uses and in some cases, it can benefit from including images in the document. In Jamie's scenario, Alex, another member of the team, has been tasked with the preparations for the trade show. Working in Excel, Alex made a worksheet with a simple planner on what they need to bring to the events. Now, Alex wants to add some pictures to it. Now, like everything in Excel, there are different ways to do it, but let's look at the common ones. Make sure you are on the Insert tab. We have a group called Illustrations. There, you can see the Pictures button, which will allow you to grab images from your local drives. The Online Pictures command uses Bing, Microsoft search engine, to find images on the web, or you can even hook it up to a cloud service. In this instance, we'll use Pictures. Now, look for or select the picture you would like to insert. Here, Alex already has a folder with images, so let's select this one named Boot and click Insert. Depending on the size, your original images, you may need to resize them to fit in the cells. There you go. Now, the properties of the image being affected by adjustments in the cells varies depending on your Excel versions. In this case, although the image moves when I adjust my columns or my rows, if I resize them, the image aspect ratio and size is not affected. In most cases, this is what you want. However, in case you wanted the image to resize, simply right-click on the image and select Format Picture. This will open a panel on the right side. Now go to Size and Properties, and here is where you can change the default values. For the purpose of this exercise, I'll leave it as it is. But go ahead, play around with the settings in case later on you are looking for something different. Okay, I'm going to quickly add the other two pictures to the document. And done. I'm going to show you another option you can find in the Illustrations group. It's called Excel Shapes. Shapes allow us to add pre-designed visual elements to the worksheet. Click on the menu and you'll see a library of the most common shapes for a document. As mentioned, I'm not a big fan of filling a worksheet with illustrations, but I do use shapes at times to draw attention to specific areas in the document. For example, in this case, I'm going to select a callout. Note how it changes into a plus sign or cross. That means I can resize it, reposition anywhere, format it, all you can imagine. Okay, I'll place it here, next to the image to request Jamie for feedback on the design. See, it's very easy and straightforward. Now, before we go, one more tip. We can mix pictures with shapes to make them more interesting or fun. For example, from Shapes, I'll select a circle. Click and drag to adjust its size, and then right-click and select Format Shape. In the right panel, you will find the option to fill the shape with a picture or texture. Nice. I'll use this in the document. As you can see, adding images and shapes is very easy, but it's a very powerful functionality, and I'm sure you're going to have fun playing with these tools. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you on the next one.